Now, what are the advantages of the AECT? The advantage of the real-time monitoring of active defect, early detection of the cracks before the catastrophic failure, can monitor the large structures like the pipelines, bridge, pressure vessel. No surface penetration needed. Okay, non-intrusive and safe. Does not require the harmful radiation or the chemical because they are just kind of just applying the load, and due to the loading the crack will initiate the wave, and that wave is not harmful for the health and anything, that we can just with the help of the amplifier we can amplify that signal, and we can detect with the detector so that we can interpret what the kind of the defect is there. Simple. Now, the application of the acoustic emissions, they are all having the same applications. Just leave it here. Okay.